If you are looking for Ozempic weight loss Tampa, click the link in the description below for a free online consultation with a doctor today. No calorie counting, no carb restriction, and generics will be available for you only $7 per day. The ultimate weight loss solution in Tampa, Florida. What is Ozempic and why is it popular among celebrities and elites? Ozempic is a prescription drug used to treat type 2 diabetes. It works by regulating blood sugar levels and reducing appetite. However, it has gained popularity among celebrities and elites for its weight loss benefits. Celebrities like Kim Kardashian and Rebel Wilson have publicly credited Ozempic for their impressive weight loss transformations. So, why is Ozempic so popular among the rich and famous? For starters, it is incredibly effective. Studies have shown that Ozempic can lead to significant weight loss in just a few months. Additionally, it is easy to use and has minimal side effects, making it a popular choice among busy celebrities and executives. But perhaps the biggest reason Ozempic is so popular among celebrities and elites is the privacy it offers. With Ozempic, you can achieve your weight loss goals without the world knowing. This makes it an ideal choice for those in the public eye who are under constant scrutiny. How does Ozempic work for weight loss? Ozempic works by regulating blood sugar levels and reducing appetite. When your blood sugar levels are high, your body produces insulin to bring them back down. However, insulin also signals your body to store fat. By regulating blood sugar levels, Ozempic reduces the amount of insulin your body produces, which in turn reduces fat storage. Ozempic also works to reduce appetite. It activates the GLP-1 receptor in the brain, which signals to the body that it is full. This reduces cravings and makes it easier to stick to a healthy diet. Overall, Ozempic is a powerful weight loss tool that works by reducing fat storage and appetite. It is a great choice for anyone looking to lose weight, whether you are a celebrity or not. How effective is Ozempic for weight loss? Ozempic has been shown to be incredibly effective for weight loss. In clinical trials, patients lost an average of 12–14 pounds over a 26-week period. This is a significant amount of weight loss, especially considering that many of these patients had already tried other weight loss methods without success. Additionally, Ozempic has been shown to be more effective than other weight loss drugs on the market. In a head-to-head study, Ozempic was shown to be more effective than Victoza, another popular weight loss drug. Overall, if you are looking for a highly effective weight loss solution, Ozempic should definitely be on your list. Is Ozempic safe for weight loss? Yes, Ozempic is safe for weight loss. It is an FDA-approved drug that has been extensively tested for safety and effectiveness. While it does have some potential side effects, they are generally mild and go away on their own. Some potential side effects of Ozempic include nausea, diarrhea, and constipation. However, these side effects are usually temporary and go away as your body adjusts to the medication. If you are considering Ozempic for weight loss, it is important to talk to your doctor first. They can help you determine if Ozempic is right for you and monitor you for any potential side effects. How do you get Ozempic for weight loss in Tampa, Florida? If you are interested in trying Ozempic for weight loss in Tampa, Florida, the first step is to talk to your doctor. They can evaluate your health and determine if Ozempic is right for you. If your doctor determines that Ozempic is a good fit, they can write you a prescription. You can then take this prescription to a pharmacy to have it filled. It is important to note that Ozempic is a prescription drug and cannot be purchased over the counter. You will need a doctor's prescription to obtain it. What should you expect when taking Ozempic for weight loss? When you start taking Ozempic for weight loss, you can expect to see results fairly quickly. Many patients see significant weight loss within the first few months of treatment. You may also experience some mild side effects, such as nausea or diarrhea. These side effects are usually temporary and go away as your body adjusts to the medication. It is important to remember that Ozempic is not a magic pill. While it can be incredibly effective for weight loss, it is still important to eat a healthy diet and get regular exercise. Combining Ozempic with a healthy lifestyle is the best way to achieve long-term weight loss success. Ozempic, the ultimate weight loss solution for celebrities and elites in Tampa, Florida. Overall, Ozempic is an incredibly effective weight loss solution that has gained popularity among celebrities and elites in Tampa, Florida. It works by regulating blood sugar levels and reducing appetite, leading to significant weight loss in just a few months. If you are interested in trying Ozempic for weight loss, talk to your doctor. They can help you determine if Ozempic is right for you and monitor you for any potential side effects. With the help of Ozempic, you too can achieve your weight loss goals and join the ranks of the rich and famous.